Hi, so I got a request on how to change your name and how to add emojis to it. Basically, just click your profile picture in the corner, then go to your channel, then click the settings, and then just click next to your name. You can change your name, change the emojis. You're only allowed 3 changes every 90 days, so just be mindful of that. You can't just go change it into wherever you want, but you can add whatever emojis you want. You can change your name to whatever you want. I think if it's not available, they'll tell you to pick something else or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you just hit the little check mark, and that saves your name. So that's it. If you have any other requests, let me know.